Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon to all of you. So today we are having our weekly update for week 14. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Danial Syazani bin Muhammed Syamsulbahrin, and my matrix number is 192340. Next.
My name is Muhammad SYAMSUDDINNOR and my number is 1925514.
My name is MAJID bin NORUDIN and my matric number is 192562.
All right, thank you, my friends. Okay, so let's start with the update from the Gantt chart. Okay. Let me zoom first. All right. Okay. So basically, we have done for the PDS part, and then for the final part, we need to do for a technical report. So we need to do some calculation regarding the equation, critical part in the software, and then we have also the identify the possible area that might create failures such as blade, maybe a vacuum or etc. And then we need to identify the product strength and weakness. Either our product, which is a CNC helper, can compete in the market, and also we need to find a few journal to be as a guideline for us to do the report. Okay, so I'm done with the Gantt chart. Next, I will pass to my friend Irfan to continue with the update that we have done so far. Thank you.
So thank you, Daniel, for the explanation about the weekly update for week 14. So now I will show you the our potential journal that we find from the resources. So yeah, you can see the script.
Not yet. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Right. Until now we have found a journal that have potential for our technical report, and it might be related to mechanical area in our design. So one of the journal, I will show you the journal. So this is one of the journal that we have found. For the next journal, we need to find at least 15 journal to do our research, and we need to get something idea to do our technical report for our design. So you can see that from the journal, we can find the equation, the explanation about more detail about our design, which is clean cut innovation. So I think that's all for our journal, potential journal for our technical report. I think this is very help for our technical report. So from this journal, we need to get the idea for our technical report. So I think that's all for me for the update for the potential journal that we can do for our technical report. So next I will pass to Majid.
Okay, thank you, Irfan. So I will share about the update on the technical report. Okay, so you can see.
Yes, you can see that.
Okay, so these are our technical report, our ongoing technical report that we will do before the due date, which is 34 July. And then this is our technical report format: design and construction of new low vacuum with road sweeper. So the innovation that we made is we added road sweeper. So the format of our technical report is basically like the journal that we found in the website and other resources, such as the first one is abstract, intro, objective, method or materials that involve the design, and then there are some calculation and also the simulation. So we are right now we are working on the simulation for our report, the simulation for critical part, for important part, which is the simulation on the blade and also the suction of our vacuum, of our loom vacuum. And then so for the experimental calculation we have done with the, we has calculate the blade, the maximum bending moment at the shaft, and then we also have done with the calculation of the gear in our long vacuum, and we also have done with the suction power of our vacuum, the technical calculation. So the simulation is we are still ongoing. And then so after that with the result, so we have to make some discussion on the critical part and some weakness and also strength of our design, and then we make a conclusion. And then we also need to put all our reference that we found that is related to our low vacuum. So I think that's all for our update on the technical report. Thank you.
All right, so thank you to all. So I think that's all for weekly update with 14. Is there any question left?
I think that's all for this week update.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.